Do you want to look good and feel good, but without all the cakey foundation? Here's a makeup tutorial where I'm going to take you from this to this with absolutely no foundation. But first, let's head into the intro. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. And we're back. If you would like to see my skincare routine, type skin in the comments and I will do a video on that. But now let's get into the video. First, I'm going to start off with my One Size Secure the Blur primer. You always need to start with primer so that your makeup will last all day. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brow lift. This is just a clear, kind of like a brow freeze where you just kind of brush your brow in the place that you want it to go, but it doesn't deposit any type of color on your brows. So I opted for this because I'm going for a more natural look, because we're not doing the foundation, so we don't want the heavy makeup look. So I just decided to use something that's kind of clear but that will brush my brow in place and keep it there all day. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer, and it's in the number 46S, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. And then this is just a precise paintbrush that I actually bought from Hobby Lobby, and I am just going to outline my brow. I really don't need to clean it up. I like to use this to define my brow. Now you're just going to blend it all out. Make sure you use a concealer that really matches your skin, because we're going with a natural look. Next, I'm going to take that same concealer and conceal my under eyes. This is just to get rid of the dark under eye and also just give you a more even skin tone. Now, if you have any other spots that you want to cover up and make it more even, then you just dab the concealer in those spots, because remember, we're not using any foundation. Now I'm just going to blend that out, but I'm going to leave the concealer under my eyes because I just kind of want it to sit a little bit. If you let it sit a little bit, it will stay on your skin and not pick up on the brush. Okay, now I'm switching brushes. This is kind of a setting brush, but I really like to blend my concealer under my eyes with it. It blends it very well, but I actually use two different brushes and I will show you that in a second. Okay, this is the Real Technique 241 brush, and this like melts the concealer into your skin. So whatever the other brush didn't do, I just go over it with this brush. Now I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I like to use this when I'm going for a natural look because it doesn't deposit any like color. I know those banana powders, you can actually see the yellow in it, but this doesn't do that, but it will still set your concealer. This is very important so that you won't get the under eye creases from the concealer. You still have to set that concealer. After that, I'm just going to take my setting brush and dust off the extra setting powder. Now I'm still going to contour my face. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Bronzed. I still want to define my features. I don't want this just flat look. I'm also going to use it under my chin just to give my face a slimmer look. Next, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Honey palette, and I'm going to use the shade Hive. This it's still giving me some type of color on my eyelids, but not too much, so it's going to still look very natural. Now for the liner, because I'm going with a natural look, I'm going to use my Tarte Fake Awake. It's supposed to just give you this refreshed look, so I'm going to use that on my waterline. So next I'm using my Tarte Man Eater mascara, and I'm just going to use that on my top and bottom lashes. I'm going in with my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy, because what's a natural look without a little bit of blush? Alright, and last you're going to go in with some setting spray. This is just the NYX Radiant Finish. So it wouldn't be my video if I didn't use my It's Giving Vibes cosmetics. Go ahead and check the link out for my store. This is just a clear, it has like a little bit of a pink shimmer to it, lip gloss. And this was from my Valentine's Day line. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, please subscribe and also hit that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. And I will check you guys out in my next video.